Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your go-to business coach, committed to helping entrepreneurs scale their dreams beyond boundaries. You might wonder how companies like Toyota have revolutionized the way industries operate globally using the Toyota Production System, or TPS for short. Now you may think, I am not in the automotive industry, so why should I care? But here is the deal. TPS is not just for car manufacturing. It's universally applicable set of principles that can radically optimize your business operations. No matter your industry, whether you are running a software startup, a healthcare facility, or a traditional manufacturing unit, the TPS offers invaluable lessons in efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous improvement. If you are interested in leveling up your business strategies, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started.
1. Introduction to the Toyota Production System, Origin and Evolution. The Toyota Production System, commonly abbreviated as TPS, originated in the late 1940s as Toyota's operational response to post-war economic conditions in Japan. The focus was on producing high-quality products while minimizing waste. Over the years, TPS evolved into a comprehensive system that has become a global benchmark for manufacturing and operational excellence. 2. The philosophy behind TPS, the Toyota Way. At the core of TPS lies the Toyota Way, a set of guiding principles that focus on continuous improvement and respect for people. The Toyota Way emphasizes long-term thinking and aims to cultivate a culture where employees are empowered to contribute to the company's success. 3. Lean manufacturing, the heart of TPS. Lean manufacturing is the operational backbone of TPS. The lean approach is about doing more with less while rigorously focusing on value creation for the end customer. It aims to eliminate waste in all forms and create systems to ensure that resources are utilized efficiently. 4. The 5S methodology in the Toyota Production System. The 5S methodology, which includes sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, is an organizational approach under TPS. It aims to create a clean, orderly environment to execute work efficiently, thereby enhancing productivity and reducing waste. 5. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory system, the backbone of TPS. JIT is a revolutionary approach to inventory management that lies at the heart of TPS. It aims to increase efficiency by producing only what is needed, and when it is needed, and in the amount needed. This results in significant reductions in waste, carrying costs, and lead times. 6. Kanban, the visual management tool in TPS. Kanban, which translates to billboard in Japanese, is a visual management tool that helps in controlling and managing inventory and work in progress. It's another TPS innovation aimed at improving efficiency and reducing waste. 7. JIDICA, automation with a human touch. One of the most intriguing principles within the Toyota Production System, TPS, is JIDICA, a concept often translated as automation with a human touch. Rooted in the early days of Toyota's loom-making business, the idea has evolved to become a cornerstone of TPS, emphasizing the balance between automation and human intervention for the sake of quality control. JIDICA integrates automation with human intelligence, ensuring that machines are smart enough to detect errors and stop production, thereby enabling human operators to focus on more complex tasks. 8. Kaizen, the culture of continuous improvement in TPS. Kaizen, or continuous improvement, is at the heart of TPS. It encourages every employee, from top management to assembly line workers, to suggest improvements to company processes. which are then tested and implemented if they prove to be effective. Kaizen is not just an add-on but an integral part of the Toyota production system. Its philosophy of continuous, incremental improvement serves as the lifeblood of TPS, enabling organizations to adapt, evolve, and excel in an ever-changing business landscape. Through its seamless integration with other TPS principles and tools, Kaizen helps to sustain a culture of excellence that is geared towards long-term success. 9. Practical applications, success stories of TPS beyond Toyota. Beyond its birthplace at Toyota, TPS principles have been successfully adopted by companies in various sectors like healthcare, software development, and even food and beverage. The Toyota production system has ascended from being merely a set of manufacturing guidelines to becoming a universal business philosophy. Its proven methodologies for eliminating waste, enhancing quality, and nurturing a culture of ongoing improvement make it indispensable for the modern business landscape. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or at the startup stage, the principles of TPS offer invaluable tools for achieving operational excellence in a fiercely competitive environment. If you found this deep dive into the Toyota production system valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on business optimization, lean methodologies, and operational excellence. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.